Okay. All right, you can stop sharing that and go back to the digital notebook. And I'm going to give you a couple of minutes. I'm going to time you to just jot down some of the words that you heard that you thought were interesting. Heard the poem. Now we're going to look at a video that tells you about Eloise Greenfield. Have either of you heard of Brain Pop? Okay, so here's a Brain Pop on Eloise Greenfield.
I just read Grandpa's Face by Eloise Greenfield, and it gave me an idea for a poem. Grandpa has a bright, sunny smile. When he makes silly faces, he lights up dark places. Every time I read one of Eloise Greenfield's books, I get excited about writing my own stories and poems. Who is Eloise Greenfield? Eloise was born in North Carolina in 1929. When she was young, her family moved to Washington, D.C.
To do is we're going to highlight examples of rhyme, repetition, and figurative language in Eloise Greenfield's poems using the color codes. All right. So in Eloise Greenfield's poem, just clicking on it, we have a common, we're all in here together. So click on Eloise Greenfield's poems. So we have two poems here. We have I Look Pretty. You heard that one. And then you heard, you didn't hear By Myself, but I'm going to read it now. It says, when I'm by myself and I close my eyes, I'm a twin. I'm a dimple and a chin. I'm a room full of toys. I'm a squeaky noise. I'm a gospel song. I'm a gong. I'm a leaf turning red. I'm a loaf of brown bread. I'm a whatever I want to be. And when I open my eyes, what I care to be is me.